Hello friends, and today topic we are going to see about hygroscopic setting expansion. Okay, this theory is illustrated for setting of hygroscopic expansion. This consists of 5 steps. Okay, the stages under normal setting expansion and hygroscopic setting expansion. It is by 2, normal setting and hygroscopic setting. So these containing 5 stages. Now we are going to see about all stages. Okay, now stage 1, normal hygroscopic, as I said before. Okay, now normal that consists of 3 round particles and surrounded by water. These are water and 3 round particles. Okay, and same as hygroscopic as normal 3 round particles that are surrounded by water. And then stage 2. In stage 2, the common thing is reaction has started and the crystals of dihydrate are beginning to form. Okay, in this stage reaction will be started and the crystal dihydrate are beginning to form. And now normal and hygroscopic, as I said before. So now normal, water is reduced. See, here water is reduced, so it became closer to the particles. Water is reduced by hydration. The process hydration more closely, see, more closely together by surface tension. Understand? And in hygroscopic, water is replaced. So here water will be added and distance between particles remains same as here. Water is added and the distance between these particles remain same. Okay, this is a difference for normal and hygroscopic in stage 2. And now stage 3. Okay, in stage 3, dihydrate crystals grow, setting expansion takes place here. Dihydrate crystals will be grow and setting expansion takes place. Okay, now normal and hygroscopic. In normal, water around particle decreases. See, it is more closely in stage 2. So water around particles decreases and particles with their attached crystals tend to be drawn together as before. So particles around tend to be more closer. Okay, and in hygroscopic, water is again replenished. So in normal, water decreases and in hygroscopic, water increases. So replenish from outside and particles are separated. So particles be separated because the water increases. In stage 4 and stage 5, here in normal, crystals are intermeshed and entangled. See, the crystals are intermeshed and entangled, and in hygroscopic, which grow more freely during the early stages, further prevent expansion. So as we have seen in stage 3 and 2, in the stage the particles and inside that water grow more freely. Okay, because of increase in water is again and again replenished, so which grow more freely during the early stages, further prevent expansion. Understand? And here the definitions of normal setting expansion and hygroscopic setting expansion. The normal setting expansion is defined as the setting expansion without water immersion. So because of this, the particles are getting shrink towards the particles are becoming more closer and the water level is decreasing. And in hygroscopic setting expansion, where expansion occurs under water, so the water is replenished in every stage, that is called as hygroscopic setting expansion. It is occur only because of water. Here no water, presence of water. Understand?